semifinals. Psst, this is the matches that decide what the final matches will be. You hear me? Okay. If you didn't, here's what I said. It helps us decide who will enter the final. I hope you enjoy the final and semifinal, obviously. Well, bye-bye for now. We are the semifinals for number 1, Five Alarm versus the Evil Emperor Reserve. Wait, what's wrong? Here we... Hang on. Rewind. Here we... Yes! Finally, that evil emperor got eliminated. Alright. Tiger Shark, Scorcher, all ready? Hope you are, cuz you're starting. Oh, so cool. Okay, Scorcher won this. Anyway, okay. Now, if you're wondering what the final is, it is Five Alarm versus Scorcher. He's gonna burn